Are you looking for a spacious and elegant condo in the heart of Ottawa? You're going to love what I have to show you today. Stay tuned and watch the rest of the video for an inside look at this Byward market gem. So what makes this condo special? First of all, it's one of the largest 2-bedroom, single-level units in the area. Number 2, its location is unbeatable, right in the heart of the Byward market. And 3, it has been beautifully renovated from top to bottom with fantastic finishes and thoughtful touches throughout. Now, before we take you through the rest of the home, Kareem's going to show you a little bit about the Byward market.
Welcome to the Byward Market, one of Ottawa's most vibrant and historic neighborhoods. Known for its urban convenience and charm, this neighborhood will not let you down. Within walking distance of everything you need and located within steps of the Rideau Market, this charming neighborhood is a place to be. With its charming history and culture, you'll find yourself enjoying gourmet restaurants, browsing local boutiques, or enjoying some of these market stands, and you'll find everything you need within. For those who enjoy the outdoors, the Rideau Canal is perfect for a morning jog or an afternoon skate in the winter. Major parks like Major Hills Park are nearby, providing green space in the heart of the city. In terms of amenities, you couldn't ask for more. You're just minutes away from the Rideau Centre, premier shopping destination featuring high-end retailers, restaurants, and entertainment. The University of Ottawa is also a short walk away, making this location perfect for students, faculty, or anyone seeking proximity to campus life. Public transportation is easily accessible with the Rideau LRT station just a few blocks away, connecting you to all corners of Ottawa. Whether you're commuting for work or enjoying a night out, getting around the city is a breeze. Byward Market is not just convenient, it's truly a lifestyle. Cozy cafes, year-round festivals, nightlife, all of it is right here.
This condo was built in 1987 and offers 1,625 square feet. The layout is phenomenal, with a double-sized living room and dining room and a beautifully updated kitchen. Both the primary and secondary bedrooms of this unit are generously proportioned. The primary even offers a large walk-in closet and beautiful ensuite.
.160 George boasts some excellent amenities like an indoor heated pool, a gym, a sauna, and an outdoor patio with barbecues. Your underground parking spot is conveniently located near the elevator, along with a private storage locker.
One of my favorite features of this listing is the oversized living space. Both balconies have been enclosed to expand your usable space, making this unit perfect for entertaining.
With its prime location, this condo is ideal for professionals, downsizers, or anyone who enjoys the energy of the Byward Market. Check out our full details with floor plans at nickfundytus.ca.
Ready to see this amazing space in person? Reach out to us for your private tour. Do you know someone who'd love this home? Share the video with them, and we'd be pleased to help them find their perfect Ottawa home.